Hi there, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is Ryden from Chinese Laundry. Sandal is made with a kid suede upper material. It's really soft at the touch. You have this really cute strappy design here over the vamp with an open toe and an adjustable buckle here at the ankle. On the inside it does give you leather as well as textile for the lining. It's really nice and soft. You've got some great comfort in the footbed as well. Light flexibility. It does have a wrapped half moon block heel all on top of a synthetic outsole. Once you have these heels on, you'll be riding to the next spot. The next hot spot where you're gonna be looking good and people are gonna love your shoes. They're from Chinese Laundry.